What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This episode, PCI side skirts. Now, I already started the process on the driver's side because I wanted to familiarize myself with the car a little bit because I didn't do any research on how to install these. You know, it's pretty simple and straightforward. Basically, they give you these brackets that mount to the side skirts right here, and they have some beauty washers on the front that allow it to look nice and pretty. So basically, I got them in the upright position, you know, snug down on it, and then from there you're gonna put it on the edge of this lip. Now I already got the plastic piece off, and the plastic piece consists of some little plastic like push-in rivets. You take those out, and then after that you pull it off, and then once you pull it off, these little clips right here, basically they twist out. So they'll be like in a position like that, and you just twist them and pull them. Pretty straightforward. So we're gonna do the mock-up so that I can get the areas that I need to drill out, because they're gonna mount to this lip, this little lip right here. You drill them out, and then you use some bolts, attach these brackets to the side, and then that allows you to take the side skirt on and off. So we got to get the alignment right on that. So I got it mocked up. We'll go ahead and make our marks, drill, mount it up, and then we're gonna see how it looks in the end. Got the chin spoiler off, we got the side skirts off, I got everything inside loaded up, ready to go. Let's make the trip. All right, guys, so we're on our way to JT Graphics, but before we get there, check out this clip of my last autocross where I placed second. All right, so we got Josh from JT Graphics. What's up, Josh?
What's going on, man?
So Josh is sponsoring the wrap on this car, guys, and he owns JT Graphics right here. Here's his little Subaru Forester. He's got some STI parts and whatnot on it. He autocrosses it. So that's how him and I met, and we worked out a cool little deal. He's gonna sponsor this wrap, and it's gonna be sick, guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna be real sick. It's gonna have my channel name on it and also Maxpeedingrods logo. And I'm not going to reveal the design of it just yet, but how long do you think it'll be before it's ready?
Probably about a week and a half.
Okay, week and a half, man, that's cool. So I got to get my shit together. So after a week and a half, I can get this thing back to the shop and just go crazy on it, getting this engine out of the car and getting the K-swap in there. And then we're gonna have to turbo it after that. So, you know, I'm pressed for time on that, but this is it. I'm gonna unload this bad boy and we'll be on our way. I want to show some more parts that I have on the car that came in, and also you know, talk a little bit more in depth, and then we'll give another free t-shirt giveaway. And by the way, this is a guy who did the t-shirts too.
Heck yeah, man.
So we're gonna do some little keychain tags and stuff like that in the future. I'll be giving some of those away next after the t-shirts. I got to place the order with that. But anyway, all right, see you in a bit. All right, guys, so we're back at the shop. I want to go over the parts that I got in and what we got ahead of us once we get the car back. But I got the coilover suspension in. Now, they make these in different colors now, as opposed to the orange color that they first started making them in. These are a different version. They have some updated parts on it, whatnot, that make it better from the previous versions. And these are adjustable, so they're good to go. But the spring rates for autocross, they're not going to work. So I was doing research online to find out an ideal spring rate to run on the car for front wheel drive to get it to turn, and I got me some 12 kg rear springs. We're going to swap those out. And for the front, I got 10 kg, and we're going to run 12 in the rear, 10 in the front, and that should turn the car pretty nice for a front wheel drive setup. And I got this shifter box, aluminum shifter box, pretty cool, and the base plate that goes with it down there. So we'll be installing that with it. And they sent me rods for the engine. So let me get this box open real quick. So we got rods for the engine, and I got a turbo, but this turbo is way too big for autocross. So got another turbo coming in. This turbo here, I'm probably gonna use it on the Skyline engine over there once I get back to that build. But wanted to go over the parts that I got thus far. I'm gonna have another turbo coming in, and once I get that figured out, I'll let y'all know which one I ended up going with. But we are set up for once we get back, we're gonna start ripping in on that thing. And we got the engine pretty much together. And for the reason that I pretty much got the engine all together, I'm not gonna put the rods in till after the season's done, because my plan is to get the car put together to at least make it to the final round of the season. And whatever races I miss this season in the car, I'll make up on the next season with the contract that I signed. So we talked about that a little bit, and we worked that out. But anyway, we got a lot to do once we get that car back. So we'll get back to my house. We'll do the t-shirt drawing and giveaway, so stay tuned for that. All right, guys, it's time to give away these 2 t-shirts. So I got everybody who entered in the group. There we go. We got 9 people who have entered. Select all. 2 winners. All right, let's go ahead and see who the lucky winners are gonna be. Paulo Lopez, congratulations, you've won the first t-shirt. Oh, that sucks. Camden, B15. Paulo Lopez and Camden, B15. Congratulations. That kind of sucks that it cut off right when it was selecting the winner. Jeez. All right, so what you got to do for those that won is go to my Instagram, import modify, shoot me a message, give me your address, and I'll mail these out to you with tracking numbers. as soon as I can. So congratulations, guys. All right, so we got the Civic over to the wrap shop. He said a week and a half. I'll give him 2 weeks in case anything happens. Still, I have a lot to do on the SRT4, so the next episode is going to be the SRT4. I got some more parts in that I needed in order to get the transmission made it to the engine. So we're going to be doing that, and I plan on getting the other car in the bay, get it up on the lift, and start ripping into that thing. So, you know, I got quite a bit to do, and, you know, we're going to see how far we can get. And then when we get that Civic back, we got a lot to do on that as well. So anyway, thanks guys for sticking around watching the episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. Sorry about the break between the episodes. I've been very busy, but I'm going to be filming next weekend, and we'll kick out another episode shortly thereafter. So just be patient with me. I'm going to start trying to make them more frequent, but sometimes, you know, things happen to where, you know, I'm a full-time dad, full-time husband, full-time worker. You know, sometimes I get overwhelmed, but just bear with me and we'll get more episodes out and they'll be more frequent. I'm going to try to start hitting them every week, and stay tuned. So hopefully by the end of this coming week, you'll have another episode out for the SRT4. So those of y'all that have entered, that haven't won a t-shirt yet, now's the time to enter the next keyword down below, and that is hashtag SRT. Hashtag SRT in the comments below will get you entered for the next drawing, and you have to give this video a thumbs up, and you have to be a subscriber. So you have to meet those requirements, and that'll enter you in for a chance to win one of these t-shirts here. So until the next one, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more content. Peace out, guys.